Good morning, everyone. I do see it's May 4th here in North Carolina, and we're going to hit, I don't know, maybe 86. I'm out here a little late. I've been getting out late, and it's humid and always a chance of rain, but that's the South. So I want to talk about caladiums real quick. Now, caladiums are a beautiful plant to accent your garden. They got big leaves. They're almost like the elephant ears, like a mini elephant ears, and they come in different varieties. Reds, pinks, and whites. I did a video last year. I got this garden white, which is beautiful. It has really big leaves. I got it at a local nursery. But you have to bring them in after 40 degrees or dig them up. So I leave all mine in pots. And I'll show you real quick, see all my mess. So I put these in the basement and let them just go dormant. And so I had labeled them last year. Hopefully I know what colors they are. But if you don't, then they still look pretty. So, bulbs will start sprouting when it's time for them to come out. And so I wanted to show you, I've been getting all the dirt out from this one, the white one, and they're ready to come out. They're like, it's getting warm and I'm ready to get out of the pot. So you have to be careful. This is all dry because it's been sitting in my basement since, I guess, October. So you don't water it, you just put them in a dark place. You can dig them up and let them dry and put them in a dark place. But the pots are easier for me if you have the room, and you can just put them somewhere they're not going to get much light and stay dry for the winter. And so I don't know that you have to, but I dig them up out of the pot, give them fresh soil. And a lot of times, bulbs multiply, so then I have more than I bought, so that saves money. So I'm real gently, I dig them out, then I replant them, and then, start the process over again. So by next month, I should have some beautiful leaves coming out. Maybe this month. I don't know how fast. It depends on our heat and how they grow. So see, this is a big bulb here. Now these are bigger than the ones that I usually buy. And you can... see, that's like a little tiny bulb there that it's made. And sometimes I break them off because, they multiply. I might leave this one. I was going to see if there was another one, but, you just gently get them out. I do it by hand. So normally, let's say like this one only has one. So this one, I guess, this one multiplied. I'll show you one more. Well, looks like they stuck together. So see, like there's a little baby, there's little babies. So if you want to separate them, you can, or just leave them together for a couple years. It's not going to hurt anything. But I usually, since there was a lot in this pot, and I didn't want to break them up because I bought it with the leaves already showing. I was going to wait till this year. So I'll probably separate this. I'm going to leave the little pieces on, but not put as many bulbs in here, and then that way I'll have another pot of the white ones, and it'll look really pretty with the reds and pinks. So, try to grow some caladiums. It's an easy plant to grow, because it's a bulb. I just have to water it a little bit, but not like keep it wet. And I enjoy them, so they're good for partial shade. They can take some sunlight, maybe 3 or 4 hours, but they like the shade, so that's why I started growing them. And so when you got a shady part, then they look pretty. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy gardening.